So today we're going to install the remote syslog classic software on an Ubuntu server. I remotely control the server by using SSH. So the first thing what we're going to do is update this server. I already did this one because it takes too much time, but this is just to show you how it should be done. The next thing what we're going to do is to download the software from the Git repository. So let's do that. Okay, so let's check if it is in the directory. Yes, it is. So here we go. We see here, we actually see that there is a remote syslog installer file here. We're going to use that one to install the core package and the remote syslog classic web interface. So we need to run it as root. So do sudo and then rs installer. Just like this. And the first option is going to install the core installation. That needs to be done as first. So here we go. It takes a few minutes to install, maybe a little bit less. It really depends on the device what you are using. Of course, the Raspberry Pi takes a little bit longer. So the core installation is finished. And let us check if it is actually running by sending a test message to the logger. As you can see, there are already other log files within there, with other log messages. It is already running fine for now. There's a little Ubiquity device, what we hooked up to this syslog server. As you can see, there are a lot of firewall messages in here, so I'm going to abort this one. So it is running fine. What we also can show you is that it is running on TCP 5.14 and UDP 5.14, so it really depends on the device, what protocol it can speak, but normally UDP is used. So let us install the web interface. So that will be option 10. Install the RC, Remote Syslog Classic. So it takes a few seconds or minutes, really depending. So the installation is done. Let me check if it is actually running by opening the web interface. So the login user is like the user what you created within the installation of your device. If you only created a root user, just add another one. Just add a normal user, not another root user, because the root user cannot log in. So let's log in. And here we are. It actually retrieved the log file already. It is actually streaming in there, so you can actually see what is going on with your devices. So It actually has like a filter option, so you can filter like a test message. As you can see, you can view it over here. You can actually send a new test message, and it pops up right here. So if you want to delete it, just remove it like this, and then all the logging is displayed. Well, and this is what it takes to set up the complete syslog server. We do have like an archive. You can actually browse it by host. You see, we actually do have 2 hosts in here. There's actually the local machine. There's actually the syslog server itself, and the gateway what we are monitoring. And here you can actually download it like this, and then you can view it on your computer or do other stuff with it. So that's it. I hope this information is useful for you. See you.